Hello? Okay, hey, come in. Got Anvil versus against Yogi Beer. Kind of a dope tag, actually. What the heck? Yeah, if there wasn't all these numbers, it'd be a pretty hype tag. Anyway, starting on Yoshi's there. I actually don't know what's considered the start for this matchup, in all honesty. I feel like the stage can't be that bad for these Samus just because, like, you know, up B goes off the top platform. You can edge cancel your up B on the little easier to the smallest platform. In the sense that, like, it's less distance. But yeah, I mean, pretty. Oh, jeez, okay. Weird opening up Anvil. Pretty interesting approaches. Cool. Yeah, it's a classic. Yeah, I gotta watch out for getting couch cancel down tilted by Samus. It's so strong at the fast fallers in general. Oh. Yeah, his height was a little higher. Oh, good break for that one. Oh, setting up homing grapple. Oh, I'm surprised that worked out, or that worked the way it did. Yes, the invincibility, the gallon wasn't long enough. After the ledge dash. Oh, okay, nice bomb setup. Oh, okay. Dude, these up smashes are actually paying, you know, huge dividends. Oh my lord. Oh, good recovery. Good ledge dash. Oh, just really up smash, I think, 4 times. You get that kill. It's actually huge. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I always forget. He can always save himself with grapple. Ooh, can't believe that barely beats you up there. Alright. Okay. Oh, just on a down smash there, he was ready, like, already still holding shield. Yeah, you should. Oh, unfortunate. A huge read there. Okay. Oh, recovery. Nice. Classic soft knee. Oh, okay, yeah. That's a charge shot right here too. I mean, Anvil can definitely, especially on Yoshi's, you one read with charge shot as edge guard and you'll kill. Oh, I thought he was gonna go for it. Oh, here? Here? Here. Oh my lord, he's just stomping. Oh man. He's just gonna hold on to charge shot forever, man. Not even hands on these charge shots. Oh, good back. Good back here. Called out the high angle. Yogi Beer downing a beer right now. Going into they're going FD? They're going back here. Actually, sorry. Stadium probably got banned if anything, actually. So I guess it makes sense whenever everyone go back. I feel like FD isn't bad either for bases here. They're willing to play very diligently, you know, and really play the space against Samus at least. He doesn't have platforms to work with, so he doesn't have any up either top platforms or any mix up the platforms either. Okay, good DI on the down throw. Yeah. Found into the mating net. Oh, I hit the jab. Oh, okay. Called up the jump there. Really good up there by Yogi there. Oh, hate to see this out cancel though. Oh, I thought he was gonna keep going. Or what? Oh no. Yeah, I think it's crazy that Uppy beats, or at least the Uppy when it's moving beats missiles. And yeah. Yogi Beer actually got him to stop. Safe. Oh, that's a good shine. Oh, you won't go there. That was a really good shine he found there, but couldn't capitalize. Time. Okay. Classic. Samus, Samus Rare can do so much damage. Okay. Nice. He got someone nice. 25, 20, 21% or so. Yep. Okay. And we could probably take these combos a little further. I don't know. I feel like they're ending a little weak, a little short. Oh, yeah, unfortunate. It's always we gotta watch out for when you're trying to shark Samus. Comes down up in there after. Oh. Yeah, good shark catch by and then Yogi Red or Yogi knew the crowd was coming. Huge spot and like, oh, dude, double hit down smash. All right. Oh, okay. Nice. I'm going. Okay. Okay. That ball out back. Yeah. Okay. Working. Yeah. I was gonna go for another one. Oh. Here's the background. Yogi Ramsey going in. Oh. Oh. Oh no, stop. Oh, okay. I was gonna go for like a, you got hit by a missile.